Hey there, my name is Amethyst with WTI, and for a very long time, I have been searching for a perfect dewy foundation, and I think I found one that I can confidently recommend to most everybody. This right here is the NYX Born to Glow Naturally Radiant Foundation, and it lives up to the name. This foundation here gives you the most beautiful skin-like foundation finish. You can obviously build up on it, so if you want to do multiple layers, you can get a little more coverage, and I have tried it, and that does work. I personally like one layer. It has not separated or created like clumps in my skin. It doesn't stick too much to the dry spots so long as I prep properly. I love this color too. This is in the one vanilla, and I am pretty fair, and this one matches perfectly. It is perfect for neutral to like warmer undertones, and it doesn't, oh, this is another thing, it doesn't oxidize, which I really love. And something really impressive about this one is the lasting time. Again, everybody's skin is going to be a bit different, so it might work differently on your skin type. But for me, my combination, I have a dry T-zone and oily on the rest of my face, and it doesn't turn into grease or oil throughout the day. It lasts a very long time. It doesn't separate. It's not uncomfortable, very nice and lightweight on the skin. And one layer will do a perfect skin-like finish, and then you, of course, can build it up. So it's a great product. I really love this. NYX outdid themselves again, and that is my point of view.